Good morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And today we're gonna remove the throttle cable. As when I open my throttle, I hear this and I felt this strange noise. Well, come on over and I'm gonna show you. Listen. It sounds like something is rattling in that spring that's inside. So maybe it warns that Teflon inside, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure where it is exactly. Here. So, but guys, we're gonna find that out. We're gonna remove this throttle cable. Is that difficult? I do have to remove the tank. So, but guys, first thing we're gonna do is take all the Tupperware away. Get the buddy seat off, Tupperware away, and then we remove the throttle cable. I wanna break in your heart. First thing we're gonna do, take the buddy seat off. Carefully put it away. Oops. I don't want to. This one. Hop. Okay. This one off too. Easy. This is with 2. It has 3. 1, 2, 3. See if it's 25. Yep. Now, take een bakje. Then, now let's remove the torques. Get you a bit over here, so you have a better view. Better view to kill. Okay, 1. This one. Okay. I wanna break in your heart. This side, there is a torque too. Okay. Guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is put a strap to hold it up. In a moment I'm loosening it and then it falls down. We don't want that to happen, I think. Yep. Now, something like this, then, yes. Okay. Something like this. Yep. Now, this one, small one. Tiny one. Yeah. Oh, really tight. Yes. Okay, this one. Yes, that's the lower part. This thing. Normally you would take that bolt out, and this one up. Yes, this one, and then that wonderful nut up. Yes, normally taking your tank off takes 15 minutes, and you have a crash bar, then suddenly you have a problem. Problem. Now, yes, there it goes. Okay. Yes. And up this one. This one. Not sure why this is. We have to up. Yes, cut it off. Then up this one. Yes. Now. Yes. Guys, we got it off. Okay. Now guys, have a look underneath this. Now it hangs in the balance. See? With my straps, carefully put a cloth in between my light and this over there. It has enough space. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna disconnect this quick coupler for the fuel. That's one. This is my cables, camera stuff. So for now I'm gonna try to take it out of the way. Then over here, hopefully you can see it, is another quick coupler. Yes. Undo that too. Then we have two. Yes. This one. And over here we have another one. But guys, get the camera a bit out of the way. A tiny. Yes. Then we good to go, I think. I guess. Yep. That's Torx 40. Okay. Long bolt. Take that off. A bolt en een bakje. Okay, the next thing is this one. That's also, yes, and hang it out of the way. Guys, I love to mark them with a tie wrap. Before you know, you forget it. Hop. Yeah. Not sure if that's possible, but you never know. Then on this side, hose 2. This one is more stubborn. Hop. A little bit of stimulation. We have it off. Okay. We have to lose that one too. Get that up. Okay. Yes. Another bolt. And now we can lift the tank up and slide it out of the way. Hop. Grab the tank and get it out of the way. No, it was easy, guys, eh? I like to cover my tank. And now let's see. It has been a really long time since I got this off. That is a 100-year-old leaf. This is my throttle cable. And let's see if we have this one a bit out of the way. No, like this then. Then we open this one, that one. Yep. Bottom side, this one out. And over there, yes, is my cable. Gonna show you. Gonna get you a bit closer for now to see it. This is my throttle cable. This is for this throttle body. And over there is the one for that throttle body. Now guys, the next thing we're gonna do is unhook it over there, loosen that locking nut, screw it all the way in, okay, screw this one out, yes, then a bit closer, so we can have a good view. Okay, yes. Guys, to get this cap off, release, get this long screw out, then carefully take this a bit out of the way, and then hop, you can take this one. See, easy, eh? Take something like this, roll it out, not all the way, then grab, oh, oops, grab your cable like this, then see, hop, yes, and then we have it off. Da-da-da-da-da. Then guys, it goes in between there, come on to the other side. Hop, hop, hop. Over here. Underneath here, yes. Yes. Hop. Okay. Then push this one in. Wait, I'm gonna see if I can get the camera to another position, maybe like this. As you can see, it's the bottom cable. Push it in here. I'm gonna try to get this one out. Shove it over there. Then, yes, this one out. And then, if you then slide it out here and take the cable out. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the cable. First, I'm gonna see if it's exactly the one that I have. Guys, let's see. This is the original BMW. It looks, yeah, exactly the same. This is a bit thicker. This is thinner, but it's the same plastic thing. This is stubborn. Okay, has a nice rubber thing. Okay, then we go to the end, and there it's a bit different. This is the BMW. That's exactly the same. This is plastic. This is iron, steel. That's here. Yeah, now it goes smooth. This one, yeah, also. The BMW goes a bit smoother as this one, but strangely enough, I don't hear that sound anymore. So later on we're gonna open it, of course. Now we're gonna mount it. It's not that difficult.